welcome to Elementrix Exchange. My name is George and this is...
I am Lewis.
Elementrix Exchange aims to simplify the world of digital learning for you. Elementrix is a digital learning consultancy. We combine digital and learning. And as a part of that, we scour the world for technology that is of value to organisations. We've just come back from London earlier this year from Learning Technologies 2019, and we came away with some interesting findings, interesting technology. Lewis, would you like to quickly describe Learning Technology?
Yeah, quickly, okay. Alright, so Learning Technologies was an amazing experience. It was an international conference with lots of exhibitions and booths. I think there were over 200 booths over there. And we went to quite a number of them. I think one of the key challenges of a conference like that is, information overload. And as we come back from something like that, we can get really confused because there's so much technology. We don't know where to put all this stuff in our minds.
Good, that was pretty quick, thank you. And so the objective of Elementrix Exchange is to overcome that information overload. And that's what we will be doing in the subsequent elements of the series.